Hi and welcome to this presentation. My name is James and I'll be showing you what's new in 3CX Phone System 12. 3CX Phone System is a Windows-based unified communications IP PBX that's used in over 35,000 businesses worldwide. 3CX Phone System 12 fully empowers you as it delivers unparalleled mobility, ease of use, and increases your productivity. We'll now take a look at some of the changes we've made to version 12 and show you how we've enhanced mobility, ease of use, and productivity. One of the big changes we've made to version 12 is that 3CX MyPhone and the separate SIP clients have been replaced and merged into a single 3CX Phone client for Android, iPhone, and Windows. Features such as presence, conference calling, call history, contacts, basic call forwarding rules, voicemail, and corporate instant messaging are all integrated into the new multi-platform 3CX Phone clients, giving you the flexibility to work in or out of the office, as you can now practically make any device a client of 3CX Phone System. All of the core features of 3CX MyPhone, such as viewing the presence and active call of colleagues, queues, conference calls, phone book, and more, have been integrated into the 3CX Phone client for Windows. The beauty of the Windows client is that it's CTI ready, which gives you full control over your Yealink or Snom desk phone, as you can initiate calls with a mouse click, check voicemail, and call recordings. 3CX Phone comes loaded with unified communications features, allowing you to make blind and attended call transfers, create conference calls, corporate instant messaging, and see the presence of your colleagues in just a few mouse clicks. 3CX Phone System 12 will automatically push out 3CX Phone for Windows updates to all your users, allowing you to take care of other business. You can view full screen presence of your colleagues, plus view the active calls within the 3CX Phone client for Windows. The active call section is a great feature as it allows group managers and users to view the presence of their colleagues and manage calls. Group managers can perform a series of tasks such as pick up, divert, and transfer active calls and interact with group members with just a few mouse clicks. The presence screen can be customized by dragging and dropping extension groups, the active call section, queues, and even drag these sections out of the presence screen and onto your desktop. 3CX Phone for Windows can limit what call information is shown to the managers and users based on their extension groups. Group managers can see call details of any member of his or her group, with extension group rights being used to determine what information is shown and to whom. For example, a manager in extension group A can manage all calls of that group. However, the same manager might be a user in group B, meaning that he or she won't have the same rights as they did in group A. With the 3CX Phone for Windows client, you can be up and running with a conference call in just 3 clicks. If you're on a call with a customer and want to involve a colleague or another party, simply elevate the call to a conference call and add other members either from your phone book or by entering their number. You can also schedule conference calls and send out calendar invites via email. Who said setting up conference calls had to be difficult? As I mentioned earlier, the 3CX Phone client works on Windows and smartphones such as iPhone and Android devices. Just like the Windows client, 3CX Phone for Android and iPhone puts unified communications features in the palm of your hand. See the presence of your colleagues, set up conference calls, instant message using the corporate IM feature, and make blind and attended transfers easily. Play back voicemails and call recordings, and manage multiple lines at the same time with the multi-line feature. We've also added the auto network sensing feature, which allows the client to automatically detect if you're in or out of the office. We've made life a lot easier for the PBX administrator by speeding up the client provisioning for the users. All the administrator now needs to do is send an email to the user which includes a provisioning attachment from 3CX Phone System. Once the user opens the email attachment, their account is automatically provisioned and configured. 3CX is the first PBX to provide push. The Android and iPhone clients now wake up your mobile device when a new VoIP call comes in, which means you don't have to keep the client active. This saves significant battery life whilst making sure you never miss that all-important call. The new 3CX Phone clients for Android and iPhone have a message waiting indicator, letting you know if you've got voicemail, missed calls, or have received any chat messages. We've added a Do Not Disturb button and given you the option to manually switch to in or out of the office mode. Also, you can now switch between multiple accounts within seconds and log in and out of queues, as well as change your status easily. Checking the presence of your colleagues couldn't be easier. Simply swipe to the right to see the presence of other users. You can search for your colleagues using the search feature and can even see the presence of your colleagues in other offices with 3CX Phone System Pro. Making a call, IMing or creating a conference call is really easy. Simply tap on the user to interact with him or her. You can easily set up and schedule conference calls from your smartphone and even elevate a call to a conference and add one or multiple colleagues as well as external numbers. You can also view and moderate active conferences. Setting up conference calls from your Android and iPhone can now be done in literally seconds. 3CX Phone uses server-based call logs, meaning that all the call history details are stored on 3CX Phone System itself rather than on each individual device, making the call logs easier to access. Call history details include caller ID, the date and time, and the type of call. You can view, playback, and delete your voicemail in the 3CX Phone client without needing to dial the voicemail number. You can also listen to any recorded calls with a push of a button. Forwarding calls comes in handy when you're busy, if the call goes unanswered, or if you're unreachable when the call's coming in. 3CX Phone allows you to set your forwarding rules easily. You can forward the call to your mobile, voicemail, Skype number, or Skype ID, or even to another extension after a configurable amount of time. You can even forward the call to a system extension, which can be a ring group, conference, IVR, or etc. You can even set up different call forwarding rules according to your status. For instance, if your status is set to away, you can forward your calls to your voicemail. If your status is set to out of the office, you can have your calls forwarded to a colleague's extension or to your mobile. In this section, we'll take a look at the server-side features new to 3CX Phone System 12. We've added great new features to the PBX, such as a mobile agent service, group rights, and version 12 now supports the latest IP phones and gateways right out of the box. 3CX Phone System 12 includes a mobile agent service, which allows better integration of calls forwarded via the cell phone network. You can now hold or resume calls, make blind or attended transfers, and create conference calls simply by dialing into your mobile device's keypad. All users now belong to at least one group, so that rights can be assigned per group. Rights include the ability to see all the calls that are made by other group members, being able to view the presence of other group members, etc. You can also customize the role of a group member. For instance, you might want one of your group members to have extra rights, such as the ability to barge in, listen, or whisper. 3CX is a strategic partnership which provides a closer cooperation between the leading IP phones and gateway companies, ensuring businesses are provided the best fusion between software and hardware, giving them a best-of-breed unified communications solution. 3CX fully supports the latest SNOM and Yealink IP phones, which has led to seamless CTI integration that allows users to control their IP phones from their desktop, providing massive productivity gains. Until now, such CTI integration required expensive, proprietary, and difficult to manage PBX solutions. This partnership also guarantees full interop, giving partners and customers peace of mind, as all new IP phones and gateways are fully tested and validated by 3CX before their release, guaranteeing there are no compatibility issues with the supported IP phones and gateways. You can find all the supported gateways and IP phones within the support page on 3cx.com. In this section, we'll take a look at the 3CX Phone System Pro Edition. The 3CX Phone System Pro Edition is coming soon and includes all the award-winning features of the standard 3CX Phone System Edition, but also adds fantastic call center features that are geared to step up your customer service and ensure your company stays ahead of the competition. The Pro Edition includes call center features, Microsoft Exchange integration, and the ability to see the presence of other offices. We'll now take a look at the Pro Edition's features. 3CX Phone System Pro adds numerous features to the standard edition of 3CX Phone System. It features advanced call center features such as advanced queue strategies and monitoring, service level agreement alerts, listen in, barge in, and whisper features, as well as queue and agent reporting. 3CX Phone System Pro also integrates with Microsoft Exchange Server. Leverage its voice recognition IVR system. Connect to the Exchange global address list or public folders to the 3CX company phone book and show callers' names on all phones in the office. 3CX Phone System Pro can also connect a user's Exchange contact with their personal phone book, so you will know who's calling. 3CX Phone System Pro spans its unified communications features by allowing users to see the presence of their colleagues in other offices. If you're in the London office, you can see if your colleagues in the New York or Singapore office are in or out of the office, or on a call. You can double-click on their name to call or instant message them, as well as transfer calls. Seeing the presence of other offices boosts employee productivity, as they can communicate with their colleagues more efficiently. The presence of colleagues within the other offices is displayed in the 3CX phone for Android, iPhone and Windows clients, providing flexibility and quick access to other office locations. Download 3CX Phone System 12 and the 3CX Phone clients today and check out the administration manual. Get the latest 3CX news and updates from 3cx.com. Follow our blog and find us on Facebook. Thanks for watching.